Okay, we're doing some stuff on this Remington 700, kind of a custom build we're working on. For a gentleman, we rebarreled the gun. I'm going to show you some more of the specifics in that gun in a little bit, but I wanted to talk about the jeweling process. All right, that's what we're doing here. Jeweling basically is adding little bitty swirls to the bolt to make it look almost like kind of like fish scale looking things. So what we do, how we're doing that is we went ahead and done the cerakote. It's kind of a satin black on the bolt handle end of it, and we polished the rest of it with a high polish on the rest of the bolt itself. And we'll go back with an abrasive rubber disc and overlap each swirl. In this case, we're using a 5/16 diameter rubber abrasive, and have made a special little sleeve to hold rubber solid in my drill chuck. And we'll spin it for, I'll go a couple of passes, and we'll have to take it out and kind of flatten, resurface the end of the rubber abrasive so that we get a consistent circling pattern. But anyway, that's kind of how it works. So we go overlapping. It takes a whole lot of, several hundred spots down the length of the bolt to make this happen. Once we get it done, I'll give you a close-up on what the finished product looks like. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and we'll turn this on and show you a little bit about the process itself. And it's kind of a cool effect, but it takes a lot of time, guys. So anyway, here we go. In this case, being 5/16 diameter abrasive, I'm doing a half diameter 156 thousandths at a time as far as lengthwise, and then overlapping when I'll start over again here. I'll see you hear me a little better. But overlapping lengthwise and then rotating the bolt. I've got it in my rotary table here set up so that I can rotate the table and turn it enough that I get overlapping halfway through each diameter every time. So just a bunch of rows and rows and rows of little circles. Anyway, that's how it works. Okay, now we finished this semi-custom, I guess you'd say. It's pretty much a custom rifle we worked on for a customer. We did showed you a little bit about close-up on the process for jeweling a bolt. And now we're just going to go through and kind of highlight some of the things we've done with this gun. But you can see now with our Boyd's stock, it's laminated stock, and Boyd's did a good job with this thing. We've got a little bit of a cheek piece on it here, a nice Kiki's pad, checkering, really nice definitive checkering on the pistol grip and on the foreend of the stock. We have swivel studs already mounted on it, good feature. Other than that, we had to do a little bit of relieving some material in the barrel channel. We free floated the barrel really nicely. We've got acrylic glass in the locking lug, so recoil lug rather. So it's just going to be a solid piece for the guy to be hunting with. Then this is going to be it's a 30-06 barrel. We've changed the barrel on it too, and had to do a little bit of finagling on the chamber to make it fit right. In doing so, we had to re-engrave it. Actually, we had the barrel re-engraved with Remington 30-06 over here, so that we know what caliber it is, because the original markings are in a different location. They're in the bottom. Actually, you can't see it because of the being in the receiver. But anyway, and we've got a factory trigger in this one. We've adjusted the trigger a little bit. We've got it down to 3 pounds, what the customer was asking for. Let's just go ahead and show you that right quick. That we do have a 3-pound trigger. And, make sure here. Just always make sure that everything's unloaded naturally. We're not going to do anything with live ammo on the table here. All right, so I'm going to pull this up. And there you go with 3 pounds. Okay. And that being the case, one of the highlights to me on this firearm is we showed you the not the balloon process, the jeweling process. And I tell you what, guys, this looks really nice. We've got high polished the bolt to start with, and then do the jeweling on it with our abrasive rubber wheels, and it comes out really nice. Okay. So anyway, That's a good contrast between the stock, the satin finished black cerakote, and then our jewelling on the bolt. And hopefully, in the near future, he'll be able to put a scope on it and take it out deer hunting with it. So there you go. That's our tricked out little bit of a custom deer rifle. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If there's something we can help you with, give us a call.